What's up, YouTube? And at the request of ThatNerdPunk, we're making his character Steg. ThatNerdPunk is a upcoming gaming developer on Steam. You can check him out in the description box down below. And if you like what we're doing here, smash that like button. And now let's get to it. We'll go ahead and get ready for this pre-made armature. Go ahead and slap some Super Sculpy Original, and once we get that torso in place, we'll roll out this hot dog of clay and smush it onto the skewers and creating these tiny little sausage legs like so. Now once we get them little sausages in place, we'll go ahead and put on the little lizard feet. We'll get the ball stylus out and go ahead and create a predetermined place for its little toe beans. Once that's done, we'll go ahead and add a little piece of clay for its neck and then start the painstaking process of fur texture. We'll go ahead and add the little toe beans one at a time, and once we get the fourth one on there, we'll add a little boop for good measure. Once that's all done, we'll go ahead and start self-sabotaging our project and creating a seam line. And now once we got our destruction into place, we'll go ahead and stitch our work back together. What I like to call counterintuitive, or let's just trust the process. And we'll do the same thing over and over again with its legs. And continuously adding some more stitches where we continued to destroy our artwork. Now once the artwork sabotaging is done, we'll go ahead and add the arms that we made off camera, which was done with just some tapered snakes of clay, and basically the same process, and adding the arms onto there with some bacon bond, giving him his classic lovely superhero pose there, and adding some more stitches to fix our screw ups. We'll take this little ball of clay and smush it into what we like to consider the shape of his face, and adding a little knob of clay there to create its long snout and start to gouge its eyes out. I mean, let's go ahead and make a spot for its eyeballs, and we'll add the little eye beans into place there. Once those are in, we'll go ahead and add its signature look with these heightened eyebrows, and take the ball stylus and smushing up into its nostril. No, we're not picking its nose, we are creating its nose. And we'll take the X-Acto knife and carve a smile into place. You're looking great, but you are not the Joker, my guy. And add this odd shape of clay, which I thought might be his tongue. And we'll go ahead and add some more fur texture to this guy. Mr. Fuzzy's looking great. I mean, Steg, you're looking fantastic. And now the painstaking process of adding only 6 teeth off camera because I was annoyed. And once we get the head on in place, we'll go ahead and send him to the oven for his first bake. And once he's done, we will paint this fella. We'll go ahead and start with a dark green. We are using folk art matte acrylics for this whole project. Now I do want to say I'm quite impressed with ThatNerdPunk's young age creating such wonderful video games already. I think we should all owe it to him that he is going to do a great job in the future. But now, let's go ahead and take the lighter green and dry brush over the whole sculpture, bringing out all those details that we painstakingly added in. Go ahead and painting the gloves yellow. Just yellow. Not much to say there, except we're going to paint the little toe beans yellow as well. We'll go ahead and darken up that tongue with some blue. We'll dry brush it off camera because I'm lazy. And we'll go ahead and paint all those teeth nice and white. We'll go ahead and paint and do the eyes off camera because once again I was slacking bad, and let's get to it. And he is done! Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. And until then, on to his glamour shots.